This is the fastest anything has ever come to my door from China. Hey guys, it's JayJay Sweets and welcome back to my channel. I ordered from Virgo Hair Company 3 days ago. I was shocked when the yellow jacket guy came to my door and knocked because I wasn't expecting no package. As soon as it came, I said, let me just drop this review for you, and you can see my reaction to the lace front as soon as I open it, okay? Imagine if I just open the package and it's not even from Virgo Hair Company. Here we go. And I haven't ordered from AliExpress since my last bad experience, but I did a lot of research, and from what I've heard, Virgo Hair Company's frontals bang. First off, it comes in a pretty little packet like this, and it's pink on the back, and it's just so nice. We're just gonna unzip it. Yeah, it's just like that. We're going to just go ahead and pull out the frontal. As you can see here, it's very well packaged. Yes, and I got a 12-inch lace frontal. They say it's pre-plucked and it is in deep curly. Okay, here we go. Yes, this is very nice. And take off the pretty little something. Now, off the bat, the color of the lace is very close to my skin tone, and I like that a lot. They say it's pre-plucked, but honey, barely. Yeah, look at that. It's so sharp. I'm going to have to pluck this 1,000 times again. This is not plucked at all. Look at that. It's terrible. The hair feels... It doesn't feel too great. It doesn't smell too great. I'm not happy with this. But this is the size of the lace, and this is it next to my hand. This pre-plucking that they claim to have done is barely pre-plucking anything. There's some baby hairs at the front, and then there's mad space, and then there's just a clump of hair, like say it's a Barbie doll's head. I usually get like a special thing in the pack, like a hairband or some earrings from AliExpress, but Virgo Hair Company did not send me any of that. Maybe it's because I only ordered a frontal and they don't rate man. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it now and see how it... Oh god, this is terrible. Which bleach knots? It's supposed to have bleach knots as well, but it's not even partially bleached. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the hair, but let's see what it's like after it's bleached, okay? Thank you guys. Little short video just because my SD card is broken, okay? And I don't know when I'm gonna be getting a new one, so that's what you're gonna get for now. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. I know I'm pretty bad at hair review videos already, I know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of OJ, which is OJ is me, in case you didn't know. And I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Peace.